I'm Eric, and I'm going to show you how to wall mount a TV. Hanging a TV is a great way to make more space in your living room. Today we're going to be needing a wall mount that suits your TV. We're going to need a stud finder, safety goggles, tape measure, a Phillips head screwdriver, a shifter, and a ratchet. A pencil to mark your spot, and a cloth to get rid of the finger marks when you're finished. So TVs are really heavy, so we're going to have to mount it off the studs of the house. Yep, so our stud finder has confirmed that there is a stud there. So with our bracket, we'll be able to line that up, make sure that it fits towards the studs. Make sure that spirit level is centered. Fix the bolts into the wall, leaving them slightly loose. Now that the mount's on the wall, it's time to fix the brackets to the television. The best thing to do is get a friend to help you hang the TV. Come on in, Kelsey. Most brackets allow you to tilt the TV to reduce glare depending on where you're sitting in the room. Now that we've got that in place, we just need to screw in the bottom so then it really just holds it to the mount. And there you have it, a TV on the wall.